Hey lovely people, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a travel prep vlog because we're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Can you guess where we're going to? We are off to Ghana for a couple of weeks. So in this vlog, we're going to be prepping and doing everything we gotta do to get ourselves and our home in order before we leave for vacation for Dirty December. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if you plan on going to Ghana or anywhere in Africa for that matter. Things that could help you and prepare you for your trip. Now, it's always exciting when we can plan for a trip towards the end of the year, especially living in a cold country such as Canada. You know, towards the end of the year, the leaves are changing color, the weather's getting cold, and although it looks beautiful, it doesn't feel nice. So we get to run and go to the sun for some time. But before we do that, we have to make sure the home is in order. So of course, we're gonna start off with some laundry prep, all the things that I'm going to be traveling with. I had to do a round of laundry, gonna fold it up, and I'm gonna start my packing. Now, while I was packing, I was also giving my husband a try-on haul and showing him all the things I got on my last-minute shopping trip to see if he liked the items and if they were good to go or if they should be returned. You know, because we're going on a trip, we weren't making any new meals because we wanted to make sure the fridge was empty. So we ordered some Papa John's pizza and I continued packing. Earlier in the week, I took a trip to Sephora because I had to restock on setting spray. Because I knew I was going to a hot place, if I wore makeup, I wanted to make sure it would not melt. So I restocked on my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and I also got the famous waterproof one size setting spray. It's my first time using it, so I will let you know how it lasts. I also took a trip to Target and purchased some items that we would be needing on our trip. When you're going to a tropical place, you definitely want to take some form of probiotic. I got this Goli Pro, Pre, and Postbiotic. I didn't like it too much. I do like the Garden of Life probiotic better. I find it more effective. But if you're not good at swallowing pills, then the gummies will do. It's better than nothing. Another must-have is sunscreen for your body and your face. Another item you need to make sure you don't forget when you're packing is mosquito repellent. You definitely don't want to forget that because the mosquitoes over here are different. And you want the strong mosquito repellent, the one that works and the one that stinks. Because the ones that smell good, the natural ones, they don't work down here. I don't know about anyone else, but those natural mosquito repellents do not work for these mosquitoes. On to beauty maintenance. I knew that as soon as I got off that plane at Accra, Kotoka, Ghana, I was going to do my hair. But before I did that, I wanted to make sure that my hair was clean and it was washed and prepped right away. So I did my wash routine at home and I gave my hair a good deep condition and wash before my trip. I recently got the Revlon dryer brush and man, has it made my washing, detangling, and drying process so much easier. The bristles are great. It feels good on my hair. It doesn't tug on my hair. And the stretch it leaves my natural hair with is amazing. I really wanted to avoid how much I would have to shave on this trip, so I decided to get a sugar wax on my armpits for the first time, and I was so nervous, but honestly, the pain level was not as bad as I thought it would be, and the results were amazing. I would totally do it again and again. And then, of course, a maintenance routine is not complete until you get your mani and your pedi done. I decided to go with a classic French because it's classic and timeless. Continuing with the beauty maintenance, if you're on TikTok, then I know you've seen this mask everywhere. I decided to get the flaxseed face mask going for me and my husband to do for the week, just because the benefits were endless. Just to name a few of the benefits, this mask helps to tighten up your skin, it gives you a glow, and flax seeds have a high source of omega-3 acids, which repairs your skin barrier and increases skin hydration. Before I pack up my makeup brushes for any trip, I do like to clean them, and my brushes were overdue for a good clean, so I took some time to make sure I cleaned all my sponges, all my brushes. I even cleaned my eyelash curler. Now, is that a thing? Because I've never seen anyone do that before, but I figured, why not clean it? It's also dirty, and it seemed to clean nicely.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me.
Before our trip, hubby and I also took the time to enjoy the environment that we're currently in. We went on walks daily, and on our walks, we would discuss our trip and what our itinerary would look like. It's always good to plan out your trip so that when you get to your destination, you know exactly what you want to do, and you don't waste any days or time while you are there. Our walks always end with a treat, and on today's walk, we ended it off by going to bubble teas and getting smoothies. I got the mango smoothie that came with mango chunks, lychee, and tapioca, and my husband got the blueberry smoothie. He added tapioca and lychee to his smoothie as well. They were both so delicious. Next on my list of things to do before our trip is to clean out the fridge and to get rid of any food or ingredients that are likely to spoil while we're on our trip, and I usually get rid of it by cooking it or throwing it out. So I had some overripened bananas, and what do you do with ripe bananas? You make banana bread. Because I didn't want them to go bad and I also did not want to throw them out, so this was our treat for the last few days leading up to our trip. Now, if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to make banana bread, I can leave the measurements in the description box for you. It's very, very easy to do, so if you do want that, I can leave it down in the description. Just let me know in the comments. And the last thing that we must do before we go on a trip is to clean the entire house. Now, who doesn't want to come back from vacation to a clean home? So to ensure the home is clean, I cleaned all the bathrooms, I vacuumed the floor, I mopped the floor, and we took out the garbage. Taking out the garbage is the most important thing. You do not want to leave something stinking in the garbage while you are on vacation, so please do not forget to do that. One last thing I forgot to record for you guys, but I did do, and it is a great tip. I spray peppermint oil all through the house because I do not like bugs, and I do not like creepy crawlies. I do not like spider webs. And usually if you're not in a space for a while, some sort of creature will come and try to move in. So because I've realized creatures do not like peppermint oil, I spray that throughout the house and it usually keeps them away. But please be mindful, if you have any other pets, you cannot do this step. So that's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the tips and tricks, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. By the time you are watching this video, we are already on vacation. So please turn on your notification bell because you do not want to miss the next few vlogs on the way. I promise they are going to be lit. So please turn on your notification so you know when it's coming, because it's coming soon. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We are in 2024. I pray that God surprises you with an overwhelming amount of blessings in this new year, 2024. Thank you guys for sticking with me in 2023. 2024 is going to be even bigger and better. God bless you. See you in the next vlog. Bye.